Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the equals function. Now the equals function, or the equals operator, is pretty much one of the most direct operators we have. For example, if price is equal to something else, then we want a trade to happen or an action to happen. So here, for example, if price equals the moving average 50, but we want to actually show that price is equal to the moving average 50 plus 50 pips. So is 50 pips above the moving average? We can use the arithmetic function as well, plus a number to put the pips in, and the pips will be 0.0050. So that has created the algorithm if price equals the moving average plus 50 pips. And there we have it. If price equals moving average 50 plus 50 pips. So if price is 50 pips above the 50 moving average, the action would usually at that point be sell, because we expect price to pull back to the moving average. And there we go. There we have it there. Open sell. Delete these so you can see it more clearly. If price is equal to the moving average 50 by 50 pips, we would sell. We can now do the buy. So if it's below the moving average by 50, so if price is equal to moving average 50 EMA by minus, so you subtract here, minus 50 pips, 0.0050. It's 50 pips. Remember, it's the fourth decimal place is a pip, so that's 50 pips. Apply. The action would be to buy. And that's used the equals operator within Tekton.